In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and adjust blur effects in Figma effectively. Whether you're designing a user interface or working on a stunning visual project, understanding how to manipulate blur effects will enhance your design techniques and give your graphics a polished and sophisticated look. Let's dive right into it. First, let's start with selecting the image or layer you want to apply the blur effect to. This is the foundation of our task, so take a moment to choose the right element that will benefit from some blur magic. Simply click on the image or the appropriate layer in your Figma workspace. Ensuring you've selected the correct item is key here, as the changes you make will directly affect it. Next, direct your attention to the right sidebar in Figma. This is where you'll find everything you need to modify and stylize your selected element. Within this sidebar, look for the section labeled Effects. It's your gateway to adding visual flair to your design elements. Spotting this section is crucial as it's packed with various options that can bring a new dimension to your design. Once you're in the Effects section, you'll notice there's a plus icon. This little button is your friend when it comes to expanding and exploring new dynamic effects for your design. Give it a click and a small menu will pop up, presenting you with a choice. Here, you're deciding between layer blur and background blur. If you want your effect applied only to the selected layer, go with layer blur. Alternatively, if you aim to create a more immersive and holistic effect involving elements behind the layer, background blur is the way to go. This decision can significantly influence the overall aesthetics of your project, so think about which effect will better help you achieve your design goals. Now, on to the fun part, adjusting the blur to perfection. Once you've selected the type of blur, you're greeted with a slider labeled as the blur radius. This tool allows you to determine how pronounced the blur effect will be. Take a moment to slide it back and forth to see the immediate impact it has on your design. Want a subtle, soft focus look? Keep the radius on the lower side. Craving a more dramatic, dreamy effect? Push it higher. This level of control ensures your blur aligns with your vision for the project, adding depth, atmosphere, or focus exactly where it's needed. As you experiment, don't hesitate to play around until the blur effect complements your design flawlessly. Remember, a well-chosen blur can enhance hierarchy, direct viewer attention, or simply add a touch of elegance to your work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create visually compelling designs with ease in Figma. Happy designing!